Hey, what's up everybody? So this is my reaction video to One Guy, One Screwdriver. And I'm guessing the guy's gonna fuck himself with a screwdriver or something. You can find this video, by the way, on fuckingshocking.com. So let's get it started. I'm kinda scared right now. What the fuck?
You are demons. I think.
Oh my god, he's sitting on a jar!
Is your own blood.
Oh my god, what's he taking out of his dick? Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Oh my god, I'm bleeding! Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Oh my god! Rachel, Christy, look! Oh my god! Oh! He pulled something out of his dick!
What is it?
This is a reaction video I'm making, by the way, for YouTube. That's what he pulled out of it!
Nice.
Oh my god! It's blood! It's a screwdriver! He pulled a screwdriver out of his dick! Oh my god!
That's gross.
Yeah, but watch this! Watch. Look at the screwdriver hanging out of it!
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste is your own
A
blood.
jar? Oh my god, you guys, that was a really bad video, and I'm actually watching it for the second time right now. Oh! By the way, I guess you can find it on fuckingshocking.com, or you can go to, E something, hold on. Oh my god. EFUKT.com. efucked.com. But yeah. Yeah. That wasn't cool. So anyway. Bye.